Hello and welcome back, guys. So after buying the domain name from Namecheap and also changing the name servers into Namecheap Web Hosting DNS, it's time to buy a hosting with Namecheap. So for that we go to Hosting, Shared Hosting. Then we choose this plan, okay? It's for about $10 per year, okay? And we are allowed to have 3 websites, so it's a good option, okay, for low budget people. We click Add to Cart. Then, since we are using a domain name which is registered on Namecheap, we will use the third option, use a domain I own with Namecheap. Now we select our domain name and we click Continue. Then we click Confirm Order. We select PayPal once again, okay? As I have said before, it's better to pay with PayPal. Then we click Continue. Then you need to select this, you need to check it, okay? And click Checkout with PayPal. Click Continue. And we are done, okay? By the way, don't forget to click a link that you have received from Namecheap, okay, to verify your information, okay. You will see it right here, this one, and you need to click that link. So we are done right here, and we have our plan. We will be receiving an email from Namecheap, okay, that contain our cPanel access. See you in the next video.